Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we dive deep into the powerful world of list in Python. If you are a beginner, then this video will help you to understand list, which can unlock the full potential of Python. In this tutorial, we will start with the basics, exploring what lists are, how to create them, and how they differ from other data structures. We will cover essential list operations such as adding, removing, and modifying elements. Along the way, I will provide clear explanation and practical examples to help you grasp the concepts quickly. By the end of the video, you will have a solid understanding of list and their versatile application in the Python. So, what are data structures? Data structure is a collection of data values, the relationships among them, and the functions or operations that can be applied to the data. So, mainly data structure is divided into four parts. First one is list, second tuple, third is dictionary, and fourth is sets. In this video, we will look at list. So, lists are used to store multiple items in single variable. List items are ordered, changeable, and can allow duplicates value. Lists are the collection of objects or items. We see that lists are mutable, in which we can add, update, or delete items. Lists are homogeneous and also heterogeneous. So what is homogeneous? Homogeneous means it contains same data type, and heterogeneous means it can contain different data types. Data type is int, but it is in the list, so it is homogeneous. And heterogeneous means it has different data types, such as ABC is string, 3, 5, 6, 7 are integers, and true and false are boolean, so it is heterogeneous. List item can be accessed using index. Uh, Indexing can be done in two ways, that is positive index or negative index. The first item of the list has index 0 and the second item has index 1. So this index ABC has the index 0 and 31 has index 1. Another fact about list is list can have multiple values. So let's start. So we have created an list. Uh, Lists are created by using square bracket. Uh, in this we can see that uh, x of 2 means this is 0th index, this is first index, this is second index. So if we run, then the print x of 2 will give output 51. So let's see. Yeah, so 51 is the output. From if we print x of -2, then this is -1 and this is -2. So we can see x of -2 is top. Another list is mutable, in which we can add, update, or delete operators. So we have created three lists, A, B, and C. So in D we have created, so D is the in which we have added A plus B plus C, and we have just printed D. So by printing D, we came across this big list. So we have just check the type of D. The type of D is list. As I earlier told, that list can have multiple values. So if we multiply the list of A by 2, then it will give A is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and multiply by 2 is 10, 20, 40, 50, and 10, 20, 40, 50. So same done, we can update the values of list by indexing. So D of 5 is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 10 value is get updated by using AI for all. Means AI and AI for all is updated. We can also use update using slicing. We have to just give from the starting point to the ending point. So D of 4 to 8. we have to update these values to the previous value. So we can see ABC PQR true minus 90.23 is get updated, and the remainings are the same. We can also delete. So this D, we have created list in which we have just del command and D of fourth. The fourth index is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The 50 will get automatically deleted because we have created delete and D of 4 and just printed this. So we can see the 50 is gone. We can also delete by using slicing. So starting point is -4 to the starting point is -4 to the end. So -4 is -1, -2, -3, -4. So -20 from, so this all will get deleted. This all will get deleted and the remaining will be get printed. So let's see. Yeah. Start with dictionary. Dictionary is a collection of files and sub-dictionaries. So we have just printed the dictionaries which are contained in the list. So this many are dictionaries. So let's start with append. Append adds item at the last of the list. If you want to add any item to the list, just use append. So AI for all, we have the name of the list because it's our channel's name. So we have created list and we want to append 100 to this AI for all. So in copy, it just copies the list. We can see AI for all, which is we had in the last question, and we have created new list named copied AI for all, in which AI for all dot copy. This is just simple syntax, and we have just printed copied AI for all. So this is what we get. Copied list clears. It clears the items in the list. We can see AI for all has uh, this is the list AI for all. By using clear, we can see the list gets emptied. The counts check the number of items present in the list. We can see we have created a list in which we have to check the count of 10, which means how many times the 10 is there in the list. So we can see it is there in 10 is present in AI for all in 4 times. So this is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. So index return the index of the item. So we have to just use it in fifth index. So insert, we can also insert in the list. So this is our list and we want to insert to 44. In the second index we have to insert 44 value. So let's see, we have just printed. Previously it was 30 in the second index. By inserting in the second index 44 values, this list is gets printed. Pop. Next one is pop. Pop removes or delete last item in the list. So the syntax is so clear. We have to just use dot pop, and which by printing this we can get 50 is removed. By again printing this, from 40 is get uh, popped. And remove. Remove deletes the given item of the list. So AI for all has this list, and we have to just use dot remove 30. So by running this, we can see 10, 20, 14, 50. 30 is get removed from the list. Reverse. It is used to reverse the list. Syntax is simple. Dot reverse, and reverse is get printed. Sort. Sorted is technique dictionary in which we can order uh, order in ascending or descending. So dot sort, it gets sorted by ascending, and if we want to print descending, just use reverse is equal to true. So this will print in reverse statement. The first question is, write a program to count the number of even and odd numbers from the list. So this is the number which I have. So this is the list which I have created, in which there are numbers from 1 to 15, and we have to print how, uh, which number is odd or which number is even. So we have just used for loop for I in numbers, in which if else statement is there. If I percent 2 is equal to 0, then print I is even, because if the remainder is 0, then it is even, and if the remainder is 1, then the value is odd. So we have just quite simple example. Write a program to display cube of all numbers in the list. We have created a list called number. For I in number, we have created new variable called cube. Cube is equal to I into I into I. So it's just formula of cube, and we have just printed cube. So 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216. The fourth question is, write a program to add first 100 numbers. So I have created a variable called name, in which list and list contains items from range 1 to 100. So this is another way to create a list. So this is what we created. This is our new list from 1 to 100. Fifth question is, write a program using function to return mean or average of the list. So there are predefined libraries in the Python, we can say. So I have just imported statistics. uh, I have created a new list called num, and we have just created new variable x is equal to statistics dot mean of num. So dot mean is just uh, it is just imported from the statistic, which is quite inbuilt in the Python. Next question is, write a program to find all positive numbers in the list. So uh, this list contains positive as well as the negative number, in which I have taken for loop. If I in num, if I is greater than 0, then print I. And just this is the simplest way to find the positive number. If I is greater than 0, it is positive number. So these are the positive numbers which are present in the list. Next question is, write a program to display table of number given by the user. So this is the most important question, because it is oftenly asked in the interview sessions. So I have to take input from the user, which is in the int format, and I have stored it in the num variable. A is the list I have created, which we want to till 10. We have to print the tables. I have created for loop for I in A. X is new variable, x is equal to num into I, and print. We have just printed num I and x. So let's see, enter any number. 9 is my favorite. So 9 into 1 is equal to 9, 9 into 2 is equal to 18, 9 into 3 is equal to 27, till 9 into 10 is equal to 90. So this list helps us lot. Ninth question is, Write a program to display string of items. To check if the to check the type of item, then we have to just write type of name of the uh, variable or uh, list. So in which it is we have created a list. Then I have just used for loop for I in a. If type of I is equal to string, then print I. If the item is string, then print that item, and if not, then leave it. 10th question is write a program to add first 50 even numbers, in which I have created a list uh, range from 2 to 102, and the steps are 2. So sum is equal to 0. For I in num, sum is equal to sum plus 1, and I have just printed the sum. So this is the sum from first first 50 even numbers. 11th question is write a program to convert tuple into the list. So these are the tuples which are we will see tuples in the next video. So leave this question for now. I just created list of t1. T1 is already we have defined as tuple. Print j1. So our list is created. Write a program to display sublist b is equal to uh, so this is our list in which uh, 45 minus 78, this is our sublist. We want to print the type of we want to print this sublist, which is this, and we want to check the type of b of 5, b of fifth index. So this is 0th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth index contains sublist. We have to just print that. So for I in B, if type of I is equal to list, print sublist is I. So this is our list. This is string, this is boolean, integer, boolean. So this is the type is list. So we have to just print it. So another main thing is list comprehension. The syntax is quite simple. Just give the name of the list, name of the variable. We have to use for loop and if condition. So we don't have to go much more complex. Just use this list comprehension technique. So next question is write a program to display marks which are greater than 70. So M is the list in which there are marks till 670 starting from minus 122. So let's see, we have created marks uh, in which name of variable is I. In for loop for I in M is the list, and if condition is if I is greater than 70 and less than 100. So just print the marks. We can see that 78, 90 and 89 are the values we got. The 18th question is write a program to display 1 for positive numbers and minus 1 for negative numbers. Quite simple. Just print 1. We have to not take variable. We have just take a number. If I is greater than 0, else minus 1. If I is greater than 0, then we have to just print I, or sorry, 1. And if it is less, then it will give minus 1. For I in A, I in list of A, we have to just print B. 19th question is and our last question for today's video. Write a program to display all negative numbers. We have just taken I as variable. For I in A, if I is less than 0, then print P. So these are our negative numbers and positive numbers are not taken. So thank you for watching till now. Do share, like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.